Okay, today I think we are going to have to draw ourselves a chicken because I haven't done one of those yet. So here we go. We're going to do a very, very oblong circle, lightly with your pencil. Of course, now we got to do a couple of eyes. There we go. And of course, we've got to do the beak, which kind of like a diamond shape. Just rough that in. There we go. And of course, we're going to have to do a nice little shape down here because this is, whatever part of this is called with the chicken. I can't remember right now, but then we're going to do the top. There you go. Now you've got the chicken pretty much roughed in, so we can go in. I'm going to start at the top here. There we go. We're going to do the eyes. Do that little half moon there for the eyelid. Fill the eyes in, always leaving that little white dot in the middle. There we go. Let's do the beak. Put a couple little holes there for like the nostril. There we go. I think I'm going to put some eyebrows on this guy just for the heck of it. There we go. Oh, we're almost there. And then we'll just follow along here. We're not going to complete this circle. We're just going to finish just like this. And there you have it. You got yourself a chicken head. Just got to erase those pencil lines and you're ready to go. You have a great day and we will see you again.